Hi everyone, so I've just opened up my box that came sealed. It's an ear cleaner, so it's an ear cleaner and also it's a camera so you can see if you've got a problem within your ears. You can also use it in your nostrils. You can use it on pets apparently. It's pretty affordable. I will put the Amazon link up to purchase it. So the first thing you have to do is download the Sit Ear app, and once you do it, you switch on this and it will connect up pretty quickly, or straight away to be honest. It came with various different metal well-made attachments. I like it they're metal because obviously they're nice and easy to keep clean. Also there's a little cleaning brush, and then there's a rechargeable lead to recharge your otoscope. Also there's some spare plastic tips because obviously you don't want different people in the house to use the same tips, and there's clear instruction manual how to use it. It's actually nicely made. I've got it switched on at the moment and I've got it on another phone, so that's what it sort of sees. I'm going to insert it in my ear like so, very gently because it's your ears, and right, so this is in my ears and I can actually see earwax. I know it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but you do get earwax because it's your ears. But it gives you an idea of the situation in one's ears if you've got a problem. And I'll do the other ear. Let's have a look. Lots of little hairs, but then that's what everyone has in their ears. Again, I've got wax, not a lot. Again, it will be removed very gently. But you know, this is unfortunately part of the fun of one's body, should we say. It's not a toy. This is definitely not a toy. Quality is really quite, I mean, that is pretty, I'm quite impressed with that. Wow. I mean, that is impressive. It gives you an idea what's there. I've got a clear canal from what I can see. I'm not a doctor and I don't profess to be, but it gives you an idea. It looks quite healthy to me, but like I say, I'm not a doctor, and obviously hairs and wax you're going to get in your ears, but that is a really clear picture. I mean, that is quite fascinating. It's amazing what technology does. Do I think this is good? I really do think this is actually quite good. I do have a hearing problem anyway, so it's not going to cure that, but it does give you an insight to the situation of wax and things like that. And what I like is obviously you've got the different tools, so I would not try to film myself using this. I think this has got to be done in private, and do it slowly, very careful. It's your ears, like I say. So you take your ears really seriously. Well, I do anyway. But it's lovely, really nice quality and so simple to use. And then when you're finished, just switch it off like so, and it's off. I would say the battery life is going to be really fantastic. With the app, I think it's quite nice. It's not too complicated. I think the app's nice and easy. You can use it on iOS or Android. And like I say, I'll put the link up. And thanks for watching my video.